Hey guys, this is Liong Mah here at Blade Show 2019, and I'm just showing off some of the new products. These were already debuted at SHOT Show, but I finally got them in stock. Now the first that you have seen on my website are the Field Duties, and the Field Duty is a manual opener, and it has a lower edge. The blade is made out of M390 with titanium hardware. This version has carbon fiber inlays with a reversible pocket clip. You can open it with your thumb, of course, and of course your middle finger flip. And it comes in full titanium handles. It will also come in marble carbon fiber inserts. The next one we have is my personal carry. It's the Hawk design. Now this is another take on a modern traditional, and it, some of you might see this as a traditional slip joint, but now it's modernized with a M390 steel. It's a flipper mechanism, sculpted titanium handles, of course titanium hardware, and a reversible pocket clip. In the coming months, there will also be a marble carbon fiber inlay version. And next, one of my favorite knives is the Cuff version 2. Now, some of you may know that I'm a former chef, and it just made sense to make a folding knife that you could use cooking. Again, I also wanted to build more of an opening mechanism besides just the thumb hole or the finger flick hole. You can use as a front flipper, just open it this way, or with your index finger on the side and flip it open this way. And we did a sculpting on the handle where it's tapered on the front and flares on the back with a slipjoint-inspired backspacer. M390 blade steel, drop edge so it's easier to use for cutting, and it's a frame lock handle with a reversible pocket clip. Now in the next couple of months, we will get a few pieces that are only for left-handers with a left-handed lock. And this version of the knife comes in full titanium, carbon fiber, brown micarta, and of course green micarta. So you guys can choose your favorite flavors. Thank you again for visiting me at Blade Show 2019. I hope you enjoy some of the pieces I showed you today. Thank you.